who was diabetic for the past 9 years, was successfully able to reverse her condition just by making small changes in her current eating habits. And the best part, all of this happened just within 90 days. This is possibly the best gift that I could ever give to any of my family members, gifting them a medicine-free life.
Lifestyle is the only way you can lose weight naturally and reverse diabetes. Hence, we started Health on Way Clinic. So far, we've impacted more than 100 lives, helping them reverse diabetes and lead a medicine-free life.
After joining Health on Way, Mr. Sanjay Kulkarni reduced his HbA1c levels by 3 points and his diabetes medication from 5 mg to 1 mg just within 2 months. Mr. Mukesh Senwar, who was initially worried about his sugar levels not coming to permissible limits, lost around 8 kgs during lockdown, and now he can eat his favorite dishes without worrying about his sugar levels. And many other clients who successfully achieved their health goals with Health on Way. Being in the online medicine delivery space for over 5 years, we understood that 80% of our customers were diabetic.
We had started this company to create a positive impact on people's health. But soon we realized that medication for most diabetic patients was only increasing, and we as a company were doing very little about it.
Research says that 90% of chronic diseases are purely lifestyle related, and wrong eating habits being top of that list.
After speaking to people who successfully reversed diabetes naturally, we understood their secret formula. 1. Right knowledge about food, and 2. Personalized guidance from a professional.
After extending our research and speaking to various healthcare professionals like nutritionists, doctors, fitness experts, we understood that by making small personalized changes in our lifestyle, we can not only manage but reverse diabetes.
At Health on Way, we built a team of healthcare professionals who were experts in reversing diseases like diabetes. We started the initiative to make 1 million people free from medication by 2025.
As Mahatma Gandhi famously said, be the change you want to see in this world. We decided to change ourselves and our families first.
And the results were beyond our expectations.
I lost 19 kgs with the help of the Health on Way team. But I was further surprised when these lifestyle changes we made at home resulted in a reduced thyroid dosage for my mother, which was unchanged for the last 19 years. Even my grandfather stopped requiring his medication for high blood pressure.
First phase, transforming your mind. This phase focuses on replacing old habits and beliefs about personal transformation. Just by making simple and effective changes in your current lifestyle, you will experience positive changes in your mindset. Second phase, transforming your body. Once your mental barriers are removed, your body starts responding and changes rapidly. This phase brings about visible changes in your body and medical condition. Third phase, transforming your life. The last phase is about sustainability. Not only do you achieve your desired health goal, but you are educated and empowered enough to make smart lifestyle choices even after the program ends, ensuring that the change is permanent.
Most doctors, nutritionists, and diabetes specialists claim that type 2 diabetes is chronic progressive disease. Once you get diagnosis, it's for life. But it's actually not the whole truth. The type 2 diabetes is almost always reversible. The most important thing, of course, is to achieve healthier body weight. A 5 to 10% of body weight loss in overweight and obese diabetic patient is shown to reduce HbA1c levels by about 1 unit naturally. This will automatically reduce your medicine dose. But do diabetes medication help to lose weight? Answer is no. These medications do help to maintain blood sugar levels, but not diabetes, the actual disease. In reality, only diet and lifestyle changes can reverse the disease. Just as a famous Ayurveda Sanskrit proverb says, when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use, and when diet is correct, medicine is of no need.
If you or any of your family member is seeking a medicine-free life, you can get in touch with our health expert. Simply call or WhatsApp us on the number given below. Thank you so much.